The Bugaboo Stardust is Bugaboo's latest product, and it's not a stroller and it's not a car seat, it is a travel crib. It's innovative, it's light, it's easy to fold, and I'm excited about showing you a full review. My name's Ellie from Magic Beans Videos. I review baby gear. Nice to meet you. Now, if you have any questions about the Bugaboo Stardust or any other piece of baby gear, maybe a baby carrier or any other accessory for your registry, you should email me your questions to questions@mbeans.com. Leave a comment below, give us a call, or do a free virtual consultation where our baby gear experts will take you around a Magic Beans store and show you every product that you could possibly imagine step by step. We'll explain it to you, and there are no dumb questions. I'm really excited about this product because this is Bugaboo's first foray into something that's not a stroller or a car seat, and I think they did a really great job. So here is my review of the Bugaboo Stardust. So in this nice convenient case is a Bugaboo Stardust. It's their newest product and it's their first non-stroll. Well, that's not necessarily true. They have the Bugaboo Turtle by Nina, which is an infant car seat, but it's a non-on-the-go product. Well, that's not true either. This is an on-the-go product because you can take this with you on the go to grandma's house or on vacation. It is a travel crib. Bugaboo now has a travel crib that they named Stardust. They didn't name it after an animal. By the way, if you are just meeting me, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans Videos. I review and compare baby gear, and if you want to see an actual Bugaboo stroller video, you should watch that on the channel after this video, and you should subscribe. But today I'm talking about a travel crib, the Bugaboo Stardust. So you can see it comes in this very nice, thin little carrying case. Does your mother or mother-in-law have a Graco Pack and Play? Yeah, they probably do. It's a big Playard that is heavy and is a challenge to, it's not terribly challenging, but I know this from experience. You have to push those buttons to get them to fold, and it's heavy, it's a pain, and even though it's a travel product, it is not easy and convenient. But Bugaboo, as they do, they upgrade their products. Stardust. So let me show you how this works. Okay, so it's in this convenient little carrying case, and you just open it up like this. And you just pull it out of the case. Ta-da! Like that. Great. I'll put this aside. Okay, to open this up, there's snaps on the side. Unsnap, snap, 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 and watch this. That's it. It's open, ready to go. And a lot of the other products that are out there, the mattress is actually like doubles as a protective element to protect or wrap the actual product. The mattress is actually right in here. So you can literally put your baby right in there and you're good to go. They do include with it an infant sort of bassinet situation. Now you're gonna use this in a bunch of different ways. You're gonna take this on the go if you are going to a hotel and you don't want to use the hotel crib or pack and play. You don't know where it's been, who slept in it. You wanna bring your own clean one, you could bring a Stardust or a travel crib with you. Or if you wanna have a place for your baby to sleep that's not their bedroom, you could use this every day. Use this as another place for your baby to sleep. You can see that the design is really nice and elegant, as you would expect from Bugaboo, with nice air mesh. It's a little smaller than a typical like Nuna Senna or a pack and play, as aforementioned. And I'll show you later in the video how this compares to a Senna and a Nuna Cove. So stick around in the video, keep watching to the end. So like I said, it's a little bit smaller, so that's going to take up less space in your home. But let me just show you how to fold it down in the basic position. Like I said, you don't have to remove the mattress, but all you need to do is, there are two kind of buttons on the interior of the top of the frame. So you just squeeze and you lift with your foot here, kind of like you do with an umbrella stroller. You just kind of like lift that up and boom, it closes up just like that. And then you snap it closed, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you can like literally take it on the go and take it with you. You can choose to put that protective sleeve back on it if you wish. I probably would. I don't know if I would. I probably wouldn't all the time. I'd probably just take this throw it into the car or throw it into the closet. But like I said, you could take your protective sleeve and you could sort of just put it right back on. That was actually really easy. Did that look easy to you? Because that was actually easy to me as well. Again, let's remove it again. There you go, so easy. As you know, if you watched the channel before, subscribe today. One of our favorite brands is Nuna. In addition to Bugaboo, we love all our brands. It's like children, right? They're all wonderful. And the Senna is a larger product. You can see it is wider than the Stardust by a couple inches. But in terms of the actual length of the product, it is the same. So if you're worried about your child growing taller in the product, they're the same product. They're not going to grow as wide. If you're using this as like a playpen, remember playpens from the 80s? Yeah. So the people sometimes use these as playpens, but I think in general these are used as sleeping vessels. But there's nothing wrong with using this per se as a playpen. But so you can see it is, again, not as big, but it is still the same length. Nuna also makes the Cove, which is a co-sleeper. This is very similar in size to the Cove. If you're using this for your newborn baby, you may not want to have your baby all the way down low on the ground, and you may want to have it a little bit higher. So you can do that with the Stardust, but what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove the mattress from the bottom with a unbuttoning procedure, which I'm about to show you, and then add the bassinet topper after that. Here we go. So underneath here, there are these little kind of like buttons that you just kind of unbutton. And what this enables you to do is remove that mattress. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these button situations. And it's not that big, not that bad. But you're definitely not going to want to do this every time. But you're also not going to be moving it back and forth from the bassinet to the normal position very frequently. So you undo that. And I've removed the mattress. What we're going to do now is we're going to attach the bassinet piece to the Stardust. Just so you know, any type of pack and play, when you add the bassinet the higher level, it's going to be a bit of a procedure. Sometimes they're clips, sometimes they're zippers. With Bugaboo, it's a very simple zippering process. So you find this little red tab, and you're actually going to Velcro it to the top here to secure the bassinet in place, and then you're just going to zip it around. Let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to thread the zipper, and then I'm going to secure that Velcro piece. That's it, really easy. Okay, now we have a secure higher level for the bassinet, and then we're gonna add back in the mattress. Just tuck under those buttons, and now here you go. So now you have a nice higher position for your baby. You can use this as a co-sleeper. You can use this, like I said, on the go for baby. And again, the nice thing about this is you can fold it really easily. So when you have to fold it down with the in the higher position, you just need to remove this mattress. Here's a tip. There is a sort of a harder board here on the bottom to keep an extra support for that mattress. So you take that, move it all the way to the side so it's up against the side here, and that opens up this area to make it easier to close down. And then you just like pop it with your foot, pull these two things in, and boom, it closed small. Boom, 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 Boom. And then again, you put the sleeve back on. Really easy to use, really good quality. Like I said, isn't too small, isn't too big, and it's gonna be fantastic for travel. Like I said, Bugaboo, this is Bugaboo's first sort of sleek product. They make lots of strollers, and I would recommend that you watch one of my many reviews of Bugaboo strollers after this video. Hope you liked this video. If you do, please give us a like. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to Magic Beans videos today. And the Bugaboo Stardust is available from us from Magic Beans with free shipping. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.